Choosing your first polisher can be overwhelming, but there are some great options for beginners that offer excellent performance at reasonable prices. Let's break it down. First, consider a smaller polisher. These are easy to handle and still offer enough correction power for beginners. A smaller orbit size, like 12 millimeters, strikes the right balance between user-friendliness and effectiveness for those initial polishing tasks. Next, look at a full-size polisher. These typically feature a larger orbit size, such as 15 millimeters, which allows for faster defect removal. The added benefit of a 5-inch pad diameter makes it versatile for working on curves and contours, making it a great choice for a wide range of detailing needs. Finally, if you're after more power, consider a forced rotation or gear-driven orbital polisher. With this type of polisher, you don't have to worry as much about perfecting your technique, making it a great option for beginners. The gear-driven mechanism offers enhanced cutting power and a smooth operation, resulting in a professional-grade finish with less effort. Each of these polishers has its own unique strengths, whether it's a compact design, versatility for various surfaces, or enhanced cutting power. You can't go wrong with any of them when you're starting your polishing journey.